Is the XRP bull run over? What is going on with crypto and XRP? It seems we are just consolidating. We are also getting news about the XRP lawsuit hitting a roadblock. Surprise there. Surprise, surprise. So guys, let's go ahead and jump into this. As you guys can see, it says XRP news today. XRP rally stalls as SEC motion denied and network growth falters. This lawsuit, and I swear I cannot wait till this is really done. It says in a pivotal development for the long-standing XRP lawsuit, U.S. District Judge Annalisa Torres denied a joint motion by Ripple Labs and the SEC to reduce a $125 million penalty. The request, which proposed slashing the fine to $50 million, pending the withdrawal of a previous court injunction, was dismissed due to procedural constraints. Now, this is a little bit of news I covered this morning, was about James Filan and his tweet. As we can see here, following the court's decision, the XRP price showed resilience, trading slightly higher around $2.41 after a brief pullback from the weekly high of $2.65. This steadiness comes amid an overall bullish trend that has persisted for several weeks. And as you guys can see, the bullish trend they're talking about is the pump I have been talking about for weeks. And it is in the falling wedge pattern, as you can see here. It has a breakout confirmation. That is pretty much what they're talking about. Now it says down here, despite positive price. Now watch this, guys. Despite positive price signals, fundamental on-chain metrics are showing signs of stress. The XRP ledger network growth has plummeted strongly, which points to weakening demand. Data from Sentiment shows new addresses dropped from nearly 16,000 in January to over 3,400 in mid-May, a steep 78% drop. A lot of people canceled their wallets. They just got out. They sold their XRP. So it is bad. However, technical indicators reflect continued strength in Ripple XRP news. The moving average convergence remains in bullish territory, and XRP continues to trade above the 50-day, 100-day, and 200-day moving average, supporting a positive XRP price prediction with a short-term price target of $3. You see, guys, now it goes either way. We are still stuck in limbo. We got technical saying it's about to explode, but you got, fundamental on-chain metrics showing that the ledger is stressed out. So, it's a hit and miss there. So is the bull run canceled? I don't think it is. I think that we're still going to $5. They got a lot of price targets to go to 10. Maybe if we get some extreme miraculous catalyst, it'll go to 10, but I got a feeling it will at least go to 5 within the next few weeks to the next, I'm saying by the end of July, because I'm really wanting to give it probably about 2 months. And that's more than enough time for it to have its dips, manipulation to be squeezed out of the way, and for XRP to just do its thing. Now let's go ahead and jump into the XRP live chart. Okay, guys, now that I got the XRP live chart pulled up, I am on the daily chart. Now, as you guys can see, we did break out of this falling wedge pattern, which was our weekly pattern with our price target of $5. We broke out of it. However, we just smashed through 230. That was beautiful because it was an aggravating resistance line. We smashed straight through that thing. Now it seems we are forming a bull pennant. This is a very bullish pattern, tends to break about right in here, and has an 80% chance to break to the upside. Now, this is what I'm seeing. Potentially, we could be also forming a head and shoulders pattern here. I wouldn't say, that that's actually going to happen. However, if it is, and we do go to get a breakdown, it's going to put us right back on this support line now, which was resistance in this falling wedge pattern. Looks more of a retest. and then it would actually have to make another hump and retest again. So I don't really see that happening. However, what I do see happening is if we do break out of this one, that could shoot us all the way. Let's say it breaks out 70-80%. That could put us past $3. Right past $3, $3 target. That's the $3. This was the $2 target down here, fellas. You see what I'm saying? Now that is the sentiment that I was just talking about and the article. $3 if it goes to the upside, $2 if we split to the downside. So I hope that cleared things up for you. I hope you can see things more clearly and understand the chart and what is happening and also in the news. If you like the content, please like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification. Check out all my latest videos on the left side. You can subscribe on the right. You can check out my videos at 8 p.m. every single night, Eastern New York time. So until the next video, guys, take care of yourself and each other.